Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Vicarious on drums. This iconic tool track, known for its intricate drumming, offers a fantastic challenge. We'll break down the main groove, which primarily sits in a 5/4 time signature, moving at a steady tempo of about 115 beats per minute. Danny Carey's unique approach to rhythm makes this song a masterclass in progressive drumming. Let's dive into the core verse groove. The hi-hat pattern is quite active, opening on the and of 2, beat 4, and the and of 5, adding a distinct feel. For the bass drum, you'll hit on beat 1, the ands of beats 2, 3, and 4, and then on 5e. Meanwhile, the snare drum provides solid backbeats on beats 2 and 4, plus an additional hit on the end of 5. One of the most memorable moments is the complex drum fill found around 2 minutes and 42 seconds. This section is a showcase of Danny Carey's technical prowess, featuring rapid groupings of 5 and 6 notes. You'll also encounter challenging double bass drum quads and specific hand-foot combinations, like the right-left sticking, making it almost a mini-solo. To truly master Vicarious, focus on the underlying odd time signatures and polyrhythmic elements that define Danny Carey's style. Developing precise hand-foot coordination is crucial for executing the intricate fills and grooves. Remember, while there are transcriptions, Danny often improvises tom orchestrations live, so feel free to experiment with your own drum voicings and make the song your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.